Hi, I'm Neely Nathan. I have a website, Great Healing Getaways, where I report on holistic health from around the world. You are watching my raw food episode, part of my healthy cooking series for Expert Village. And we're going to be visiting Rachel Carr, a raw food chef over in Los Angeles at a restaurant called Cru, which means raw in French. But before we go over there, I want to talk to you a little bit about what raw food is. It's basically fruits, nuts, vegetables, and seeds that are not cooked over 118 degrees. The idea is that if you heat food over 118 degrees, you're killing the important vitamins, minerals, nutrients, and the enzymes. So that's just the simple basic idea behind raw foods. If you want to learn more, there's two books that I could recommend to you. Annie and David Jubb have written these wonderful books, Life Food Recipe Book and Living on Life Force. So check these out. Not only do they have wonderful, delicious recipes on raw food, there's also some easy remedies for treating home illnesses that you could do right in your house. So these are two good books to get you started. And next I'm going to show you how simple it is to make almond milk right in your own home.